Assalamu alaikum. 5 class unit number 2. Fill in the blanks. Each type of computer memory services a specific function and purpose. Second, a group of 4 bits is called nibble. Third, a computer stores the information in the form of computer words. The data and instructions required to be processed reside in main memory. A computer cannot run without primary memory. Dash RAM has long life and there is no need to refresh it. Static. Secondary memory is also known as external memory. Cache is very high speed memory which can speed up CPU. Cache memory is faster than main memory. Data permanently stored even if power is switched off. Write T for true and F for false statement. A group of 8 bit is called nibble. True. Instructions required to be processed reside in main memory. True. RAM is a volatile memory. True. SRAM is smaller and compared to DRAM. False. ROM stores instructions that is required to store data. False. We cannot program erasable after erasing. True. ROM is a cheaper and more reliable and RAM. True. Secondary memory is faster than the main memory. False. Computer may run without secondary memory. True. Choose these statements and best answer. Binary digits consist of 0 and 1. A group of 4 bits is called nibble. Third, a group of 8 bits is called byte. A gigabyte is equal to 1024 MB. Which of the following memory is volatile? Main memory. Which memory has speed up CPU? Cache memory. Short question. Define the following bit. A binary digits 0 and 1 representing off and on state of the computer in an electronic circuit. बिट जो है वो 0 और 1 की फॉर्म में शो होगा और हमेशा 0 जो होगा वो ऑफ और 1 जो है वो ऑन की फॉर्म में होगा. निबल. A group of 4 bits is called nibble. Byte. A group of 8 bytes is called byte. 8 bits is called byte. What is RAM? RAM stands for random access memory. RAM is the internal memory of the CPU for storing data programs. RAM is a volatile memory. RAM जो है इसमें डाटा टेम्परेरी स्टोर होगा और RAM हमेशा रीड भी हो सकती है और राइट भी हो सकती है. What is bootstrap? ROMs contain instructions to store a computer. This operation is called bootstrap. ROM bootstrap को instructions और हदायत देगा. Give some examples of secondary memory: hard disk, CD-ROM and DVD. List the disadvantage of cache memory. It is very expensive. It has limited capacity. डिसएडवांटेज है सबसे पहला कि ये बहुत ज़्यादा महंगा होगा और दूसरा इसकी कैपेसिटी लिमिटेड होगी.